No more red bitch. Just sexy thing, you know.
Welcome in part 3 of our build. It's -15. We're taking the bumper and the hood to Wrong Customs, and we're gonna continue working on my 1EZ swap. Enjoy watching. So we are back here at Wrong Customs, and there's one little difference today from the last video. That's a gearbox. So the gearbox is connected to the engine already, and Darek had to cut a bit of a tunnel here to fit the gearbox. And also this is the material for our exhaust manifold, which we're gonna make today.
I don't believe I can.
Trochę nie. So as we thought, the hood wouldn't fit with the V8, so let me show you what's my plan for the hood.
I don't believe I can. Standing there, cactus in the rain. I don't believe I can.
So the idea is to take this hood vent from this hood, and this hood is from this car. This is the RX Bravo's FCRX7. This is a very interesting build as well because it has a MIATA engine with a nice turbo. Also today they're gonna paint an engine bay in the sky, and then they're gonna put this, and this is RB25 DE. Now, and it's gonna go in with RX8 gearbox. Well, as you can see, these boys are not playing around. But yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut a hole in my hood, which I'm pretty sad about because this lever is pretty new. But yeah, cut the hole in the hood and get the hood vent from this one to this one. And also we took a bumper to create a bash bar in the front of the car. And also Bozo here. Yo Bozo, what are you doing, man?
I'm doing some weird shit with your lamps, you know?
Okay.
Sexy.
Sexy lights.
Sexy. No more red bitch. Just sexy thing, you know?
elegancko. this is our exhaust manifold. You might be wondering why are we making an exhaust manifold from scratch, and here's why. This is the stock exhaust manifold, so this one is much wider and it wouldn't fit between the frame. Now we have this one ready, we're gonna TIG weld everywhere here, and we're gonna make the one from the other side. Okay. Co? Jest grubo.
Nie wiem, czy tego sobie...
I know they'll still be my future. I'll still bear my Frugu. Cause I stick, I know there'll be no more nature. Just me and you. And if I risk love and I turn hard and hurt you, could be the end of you. The will kindness be the face of all our curses and make our fate untrue. A wasted day with you, a wasted way to pave the way with you. Wait in line for nothing needed, something's feeling like we believe the naysay do. I hate fake news. I make do with what I make do from all my clues. If heaven was a mile away, I'd be better on a tether and a tether away.
Dobra robota, Darek. Mamy żółwika na film. I
Dobrze zrobiliśmy.
dobrze zrobiliśmy, no. Wariaty tu obaliły. Dobrze. Okay, and that's the end of part 3 of this video. Next couple of days I'm gonna spend on merging them together, so I'm probably gonna make a video of it as well. And next week I'm going direct again, and we're gonna continue working on V8 swap. I still have this one. I really didn't want to bin it, and I might make something out of it. I don't know what. If you have any ideas, you can say it in the comments. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Said I